We arrive at Whagamomona at the famous local hotel, which is well known and a popular stopover for everyone traveling on the Forgotten World Highway. It is also a place where you get your passport and citizenship for the Republic.
We are in the Republic of Whagamomona, the capital of the Republic. I know. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, wow. Hello, hello.
We're here for our passports.
Oh, okay, beautiful. The passport boxes needs to be here.
How is it working? You don't mind me taking footage?
So it's
So we're here, this is the Republic of Whagamomona.
yes, it is. Yes,
No,
Republic of Whagamomona.
it's the capital of the Republic.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we passports. They're $5 each. They go to the local community. The cost, and we got Republic Day on the 18th too.
Oh,
really?
wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
On the 18th of October?
January.
January?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So we'll be back then. Cool.
Have you ordered beer?
Yes. Yeah.
You served
We haven't. We
did
just
it,
got
yeah,
our
did it since
passports.
5:30.
You got your passports? Only
Yeah.
two?
I'll take 4.
Take 4.
4 passports, yes
Yeah.
please.
We are now very Republicans, and we're in the capital.
Yeah. Beautiful. Cool. What's that? 20.
That as well.
Yeah, you have to get a passport to get a beer.
Correct. Okay, do I need to put makeup on for my passport photo or not?
You do get voting rights though. So you're
Do you stamp them?
They already stamped.
Ah, perfect. So I can go anywhere now, eh?
Yeah.
With this passport, you can go anywhere.
Yeah. Anywhere you like.
It's like a black passport.
Anywhere within the Republic. Yeah.
Oh man.
Where does the public start?
There you go.
my friend?
Fine. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So the Republic starts that bridge.
Yeah.
Oh man, they don't even ask for criminal records, nothing. Huh?
No criminal records, nothing.
And it goes down the road
Oh,
as
I
well.
love this.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
So we might be the smallest country in the world.
I finally got my black passport.
Yeah.
We might even be smaller than the Vatican, so we might be the smallest country. In the world.
What? You smaller than the American?
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon so. Yeah.
Oh, right. But you're more valuable, right?
Oh yeah.
For sure. There you go. 2 beers and a passport.
Kry die mooi prentjie in, ons prentjie. Ek weet nie wat dit is nie, maar ek dink dit is die hotel.
Ah, ja. Nice. Okay.
Wag, Baby, is julle sien, want kyk jy kry hom daar in.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
cuts. You see any?
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
The Forgotten Highway.
Whagamomona.
I'm legit.
Guys, we got 4 black passports. Eventually, it's taken 6 years.
The capital of the Republic.
Yes.
Republic of Whagamomona.
Sit daar zo. Zit een Land Rover.
There's a Land Rover.
There were 3 other riders from Stratford on their 4-cylinder Suzuki bikes with Whagamomona performance exhaust, and they sounded so good when they took off.
Ek het hierdie nog nooit gesien.
Whagamomona camping ground. Cool. McEnroe racket.
Campground Gardens walk tussen die Kersfeestroos.
My camera is on.
Ek voel net happy.
Yeah, my camera is on.
But I still have my helmet on.
Yeah, you must take your helmet off.
Yeah,
Yes, you go. Jy's tussen die takke, jy's lekker gekuier. They all have a lot of fun. Hee-ha! When was the last time you did this?
I was about 13.
Yeah. If you enjoy our video, please like it.
If you want to stay connected, please subscribe to our channel.